I have a new item to show you that I just found. It is an LED flashlight that is rechargeable. So let's take a look at the box. This is the name of the company that makes it. And this is an LED flashlight that is rechargeable. It comes with a charger that has a USB connection, so that's nice. The charger's lightweight and compact, so this would be great for taking with you to travel. Now the flashlight, this actually is really a very well built. I mean, it's definitely a quality built flashlight, and it has glass here as opposed to plastic. It also has a strap that comes with it. You don't have to have the strap, but I really like the strap. Or you can use the clip right here to clip it onto a backpack or whatever you want to clip it onto. Low, medium, high. Okay, so it's 4 light modes. Ooh, look how bright that is. It's definitely bright. Wow. Go really far. Look at that. Isn't that? Yeah, this is pretty impressive. Yeah. Look how bright that is. That is bright. Very bright. See that? And now it's lit up. Okay, here we go with the strobe. That's like pointed at your eyes. Somebody's coming at you, that's going to blind them. They're not going to be able to come get you. Wow, I have to say that overall I'm extremely pleased and impressed by this flashlight. Love that it is rechargeable, and the quality of it as far as how well it's built is great. So overall I'm very pleased with it, and I love it. If you like this video, feel free to hit subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Bye.